Understanding Neon Installation, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, neon installation. This might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. In this section, let's dissect the phrase, neon installation. The word, neon, refers to a type of gas that emits light when an electric current passes through it. You've probably seen neon signs at stores or restaurants. The word, installation, in this context means setting up or putting something in place. So, when combined, neon installation refers to the process of setting up or installing a neon light or sign. Now, let's see how to use neon installation in sentences. 1. The cafe down the street just got a new neon installation, and it looks amazing at night. 2. Sarah is an artist who specializes in neon installations. 3. The museum's new exhibit features a large-scale neon installation that changes colors. These examples help in understanding how the phrase can be used in everyday conversation or writing. Expanding your vocabulary around this phrase can be really helpful. Here are some related words and phrases. Neon sign, a sign made of neon lights. Electrical wiring, the system of wires used to conduct electricity, important in neon installations. Illuminate, to light up, which is what neon installations do. Art installation, a broader term that can include neon installations as a form of art. And that's a wrap on neon installation. I hope this video has illuminated, pun intended, this phrase for you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the small details in phrases like this. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.